So which one, on this one, which one do you prefer me to use? Which one will you like if you're the one putting your nails? Because this is the powder form. You see, the powder. So this one is green. So which one, if you're the one putting it, which one will you prefer? This one or... Guys, we'll be checking the nails, which one can go. This one like this is too small, so I'll be checking this one. We'll start with the small nails. This one we'll keep it aside. This one is just... This one will still go in this one now. Yes, it just depends. Sometimes you have a nail that is too big. This one will go, yes. That's my second. It's like the second and the third will still use the same one. It's like the second and the third, yes. The third also will still use this one. Then the fourth. Guys, to be creative, the fourth will not be this one. Okay, this one will be this one. So this one will be the third. Then this one will be the second, the last. You see, look at. Okay, this is the fourth, and this one is the fifth, the big mama. As you can see, look at. See, as you can see, Quinta is already ready to manifest. Look at, this is the small one, this finger, this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. So these are the first fingers. So I will pick already. Guys, we picked already. I already picked. Let's pick together. I already picked. You can see these are the 10 fingers. Okay, this one I'll be closing this one to pack it. Creativity. This is, I'm a new learner. I'm a learner. We have this one. We have this one. Our nail polish, nail hardener. I just bought this one new. So because the product is smelling, this one and this one. This is our product. This one or this one. Okay, guys. We have our liquids. We have something to put inside. Then we have our pencil. We have our sharpener to clean. So, guys, we will start by filing our nails. Keep it clean, cut everything, because I already done my cuticles. Already done it. My wonderful people, I've already finished. You know, to do the nails alone is not easy. I've been thinking. I started earlier, but I've been thinking, will I do it today? Will I do it tomorrow? You know, reluctant, thinking. I just, okay, let's go. Let me see what I can do today. Let me see what I can fix on my nails. Guys, my nails are long. I have to cut them. Bring it a bit down. Then I will file it. Guys, finish cutting the nails. Look at my nails now. Yes, just finish cutting it. Okay, I don't prepare my table like that. like a specialist. So, my wonderful people, we go to file our hand filing. This my file don't japa.